As a skincare enthusiast, my friends and family often reach out to me asking questions about skincare. What product to use, how to use, when to use, and they also share their skincare concerns with me so that I can suggest them right product. And honestly, I love doing this. You won't believe, but I actually send them a little questionnaire asking questions about their skin concerns and skin type, and I do my R&D. Then I suggest a full-fledged skincare routine to them in an Excel sheet. I mean, I'm not a dermatologist, but I love skincare and beauty, and I take this passion very, very seriously. That said, I do tell them to patch test the product first for 24 hours, and if they cause any reaction, then stop using the product right away and then consult a dermatologist. Now, whenever I suggest a skincare product to someone, the most common question I get is, when do I apply this? Like, where exactly it will lie in my skincare routine? So I thought that this is high time that I make a full explaining video on this topic. Hi guys, I'm Priyanka Raghuvanshi. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. Now, if you are also confused about how to layer your skincare and what to apply when, then you are at the right place, because in this video, I'm going to break down both AM and PM skincare routine step by step, as simple as possible. Now, with that being said, let's dive in. Before we dive in, let's understand one basic thing, that every skincare product has different consistency. Like, some are very watery and thin, whereas some are thick and creamy. So the basic rule is, whenever you apply your skincare, whenever you start your skincare, go from thinnest to the thickest skincare product in your routine. This way, each layer gets absorbs into your skin properly and does its job. So let's start with AM skincare routine, and the very first thing you do in your morning skincare routine is cleaning your face with a good cleanser or face wash. It really helps lift dirt and wake my skin. So what I do, I wet my face and take my favorite cleanser, and then I start with the center of my face, taking it all the way to my nose, and then chin, forehead, jawline, and of course the neck. It takes me for about 60 seconds only, and then I wash my face off with clean water. Then comes the second step, which is toner. The texture of toner is mostly runny and watery. That is why it comes right after cleansing. If you have been following me, then you know that I have been using TNW Rose water as my toner since like 5-6 years now. It really suits my skin, so I've never thought about changing it, but you can take any toner of your choice and just spritz this all over your face and neck and let it absorb into your skin. Toners basically balance skin's pH and preps it to absorb everything better. The step 3 is serum. This is where you treat your skin. Again, the consistency of serums is very runny and thin, but slightly thicker than the toners. So it becomes this third step in your skincare routine. Now, if you are a beginner, you can start with any one serum considering your skin problem. Like, if you want glow, you want hydration, or you want to treat acne or acne scars, or whatever skin problem you want to target, and gradually you can add another serum to your skincare routine. But whenever you are using a combination of different products or different ingredients, make sure the ingredients are safe to use as a combination. For example, if you're using vitamin C in your skincare routine in any step, then you should be avoiding using retinol in the same skincare routine. So this is a vast area, so let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video explaining this as well. Now, step 4 is hydration, that is moisturizer. Some people are still living in this myth that if they have oily skin, they do not need moisturizer. Let me tell you guys, even the most oily skin in this world needs a good moisturizer. If you will not use a moisturizer in your skincare routine, if you have oily skin, then it will produce more sebum, because your skin needs that hydration. Then it will produce it itself, and that will cause eventually blackheads, whiteheads, and acne on your skin. Do you want that? No. So guys, no matter what skin type you have, you need to apply a good moisturizer. Just pick a moisturizer which has texture as per your convenience. For example, if you have oily or combination skin, then use a gel based, lightweight or water based moisturizer. But if you have dry skin, a cream based thick moisturizer is your go-to. Sensitive people have to consider one thing while choosing their moisturizer, that whatever moisturizer they pick, in fact whatever skincare ingredient they pick, should not have any kind of added or artificial fragrance to it, otherwise it will cause more problem to them. Also, everyone should know what skincare ingredients they are allergic to, so whenever they pick any product, make sure that you read the labels, and any product should not have that particular ingredient in the list. But again, I am repeating myself, every skin needs a good moisturizer in their skincare routine. This is the step 5 and the last one too, sunscreen. This is a non-negotiable step, guys. No matter if you are indoors, outdoors, always and always wear your sunscreen. Now, sunscreen comes always at last in your skincare routine. Once you are done with your entire skincare routine, at the end apply your sunscreen. Now, sunscreens also come in different textures and consistencies: gel based, water based, cream based, mineral or chemical. You can choose as per your skin type and as per your preference, but make sure that you wear your sunscreen always and always. Now, one step that I did not mention but definitely cannot do without is lip balm. As soon as I wash my face or come out of the shower, I hydrate my lips always. I apply my lip balm. So whenever you feel comfortable or you feel the need, you can hydrate your lips with a good lip balm also. Now quickly let me take you through all these steps once again: cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm if you like to apply. And that's it for my AM skincare routine. Simple, effective and quick. Now let's move on to the PM skincare routine. Call it PM, nighttime or evening skincare routine, but it's pretty much the same as your morning skincare routine. Just one step extra in the beginning and one step less at the end. By the end of the day, our skin goes through a lot of things like dirt, pollution, and since you have applied sunscreen and makeup in case, then double cleansing becomes really very important. So there comes our first step, which is sunscreen and makeup removal, for which I start with a cleansing balm or micellar water. I have kept cotton pads soaked in micellar water in this jar and I keep this in my washroom. So whenever I need to wash my face in the evening, I take one cotton pad and wipe off my face with it and neck also. But whenever I'm wearing makeup, I can take 2-3 pads as well. But if I'm wearing waterproof makeup, then in that case I use a cleansing balm which breaks down my stubborn makeup quicker and easier. Then I take a good cleanser or face wash and wash my face exactly for 60 seconds again. And now from this step to moisturizing my face with a good moisturizer, everything goes exactly same as my AM skincare routine. So you will start with a cleansing balm, then you will use a face wash at night, and then you will use toner, serum and then moisturizer. You will not apply any sunscreen at night. Now your nighttime skincare products could be different from the ones that you have used in your daytime skincare routine. But if you are a beginner or you want to keep your skincare routine very minimal and easy and stress free, then using the same products in the morning and the nighttime also is very much fine and suggested. Now here is very simple but important tip that I would like to share with you guys, that whenever you do your nighttime skincare routine, make sure that you do it at least 30 minutes before going to bed, because you want your skincare products to stay on your skin for a while and do their jobs. And if you have just applied your skincare routine, just completed your skincare routine and hit the pillow right away, there are good chances that the products will just rub off on your bedsheet and blankets. So that will kind of defeat the purpose, right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Nothing fancy, just the right order so that your skin gets the most out of each product. If this helped, then like and share this video. Also, if you like to watch more such content, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Your suggestions are really important for me, so make sure that you leave them in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, happy layering and namaste.